Okay, well, they want me to find the sine of A plus B. Write it down. That's easy. And then we're going to get, let's see, plus sine of B times the cosine of A. And I think I could start writing these things down. I'll kind of, put one thing down at a time. And I think for the most part, it shouldn't be that bad to come up with this, all right? So let's tell you what they got. They told me the sine of A is 5/13. So let me write this down, 5/13. What else did they tell me? They told me the cosine of B is minus 3/5. Let me write that down. So that'd be minus 3/5. What they didn't tell me was the sine of B or the cosine of A. So I got to figure that out. Before I do that, I want to point out these are in the second quadrant, all right? And this is important information. And why is it important? I know the signs of both the sine and the cosine in the second quadrant. So the sine will be positive and the cosine will be negative, all right? So I got to figure it out. Now I want to look at this one over here, and I think I can do it. What I mean by that, if I know the sine of A is 5/13, the cosine of A, and it's in the second quadrant, by the way, has to be minus, well, the same denominator, 13, and then use Pythagorean theorem. And let me go through that with you. It's going to be 13 squared minus 5 squared is going to be that number. I can call it x in this case over here. It's going to be x squared. By the way, I know the x is less than 0. What do you get over here? Well, it's 169 minus 25. And 169 minus 25 is 144. So x could be plus or minus 12. But I do know it's a negative number, so I can put 12 over here. So the cosine of A is minus 12/13. All right, let's do the other one, like cosine of B, second quadrant again. So I'm going to write down the sine of B. Well, I know the denominator is 5. All right, what do I know now? Well, it's going to be 5 squared minus 3 squared, and that would equal y squared. I know the y is greater than 0, though. All right, you get 25 minus 9, which is 16. And y could be plus or minus 4, by the way. But I do know the y is a positive number, so I'll put down 4/5. Let me write this over here, 4/5. And let's go for arithmetic now. What are you going to get at the bottom? Well, 5 times 13 is 65. Then you're going to get minus 15. And minus, well, 4 times 12, let's say, that's 40, minus 48. Let's add it together. You're going to get, let's see, 48, 53, 63, minus 63. Over 65. Let's get a red pen out, see how we did. And we're done. Thank you.